Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Welcome to another shave, and as promised, we are doing First Canadian Sandalwood. There's none left over to send out though, so. Anyways, touch on, if you watched the last video, pineapple cherry bomb. Smoke was still on my fingers from the grill and stuff, so I got the smoky note from just like being on me. But it was a pineapple cherry scent with menthol. Checked with Magic Mike. He's the one that told me later. And then Justin put in the comments, if y'all looked, from, the Red Island shaver. So today we are using the Teton Shaves disco ball brush. Pretty much he crushed up a disco ball. And there you go. It's the inside. I normally use it with First Canadian Shave motherfucker, but we went with this. Looks like it's really hydrated, guys. And I took my shave of the day photo and hadn't loaded my blade yet, so you just... I'm not doing it on camera because I can't see. There we go. Boom, done. This is the cheapest one blade. I think they're like 50 bucks now, but when I bought this it was like $29.99 on Amazon. So, all right, this really feels like a creamy lather, guys. I think it could have taken a lot more water, but I really felt like the peaks were good. Has a good gloss to it, so like, I'm going with it. I'm a pansy ass that bowl lathers. Ooh, we blooped. And dude, it landed in the sink. Not the counter, but in the damn sink. So it's a good sandalwood scent, but I smell leather because it was pressed up next to the kink sample. I smell sandalwood, but I'm picking up leather and I'm taking it that's from the kink. So here we go, guys. Haven't used this in a while. These are those proprietary blades by Feather, the, I don't know, high stainless. Well, it is weird. Haven't used this thing in a while. Does this count as a cart? Just curious. There's not a cartridge, but it pivots. What's more cart-like? This? Or the leaf? Because both of them are cart adjacent. I feel like both are meant to be an introductory into traditional shaving. Or people that feel it's good environmental reasons to do this. They don't give a fuck about all the shit that us uber hobbyists care about, like all the different razors and all the different types, and all they want is just their blade that's cheaper than their other ones, cartridges, and they feel like they lessen their carbon footprint. So I feel like that's what the Oneblades and like Supply, the mass marketed, mass branded ones, they're not trying to get people into the hobby. Now, a lot of people get into the hobby because of them. But it's just really meant for people to change their carbon footprint, That and comfort. So there we go. And we're going to do 3. Well, the one razor that does not like going against the grain for me. I say the one lately. The Oneblade. Because if y'all watch, y'all know this is against the grain for me. I would say this is not an efficient razor though. It's cutting. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I messed up my lines again. DK, you got so much good practice, DK. You're good at that shit, but not me. But I think they recommend that blade's only to be used once and then chuck it. And they're about $1 a piece. I bought the 60 pack of this one, so it did make it less than $1 a piece. So pretty much they give you 6 packs of 10. I don't know why I decided to just scrub a little there, but felt like the thing to do. Look at that. I mean, guys, it's a beautiful first Canadian leather. Hashtag Canadian Mafia. Huh, I didn't even think about it. Yesterday I was using the curve. Ooh, we got a blooper. Just get all the way up to the sideburn. Just get it in the fucking ear. Ken surfs that shit. All right. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to get a BBS with 3 passes. This was BBS right here though. Did y'all hear that? There's no feedback. Yeah, it's counterintuitive. You use pressure. Once you become a traditional wet shaver and you use other items, it's so weird to go back to this. Holy shit, that is slick. I mean, I don't need to stretch. Fuck it, we're good. I'm gonna use this again tomorrow and see how the next shave goes with it. So guys, y'all know the drill. I'm gonna leave you, gonna rinse up, and we'll be right back. Boop. And we're back, guys. There we go. Teton Shave. This cool synthetic knot. Kind of like a Trafalgar knot. I like the coin. Disco. Go down to the local discotheque. Proraso Red. I don't think I'll re-up. Sandalwood causes irritation sometimes. I didn't feel any from this. And the Sandalwood Splash, I don't get really bad irritation from Proraso, but when I use the Proraso Red soap and Proraso Red pre-shave, miserable experience. And I used it for a while before I realized it was just that soap, because it's one of the ones I started with was Proraso Red. Oh, I don't have it. It's because it's not a tub. It was a sample. First Canadian Shave Sandalwood. Shit was good. That was a Butamus lather. Sorry, Stallion, to steal that from you, but my dad used to say that. Butamus. So, Butamus lather. I don't know, man. I got this razor. I don't know if I'll sell it, but it's just not going to get picked up a lot in my den because it's not my taste. It's not what I do now. I did enjoy it quite a bit when I first got it, but that was early in traditional wet shaving. So, all right, guys. Cleaned up with the Lancaster, and I think we're out. So, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you later.